Hello, I'm Kenny Lowry. Many of you have seen me throughout the websites on various videos talking about fountains. And today, Kevin right here will kind of pan out and show you some of these fountains as we're speaking here. And we also have boulder fire pits, boulder fountains, pottery fountains, boulder fire pits, fire and water fountains. We have a variety of different things. And what I came to realize is I never really talked about why we use the disappearing fountains that we use. We opened our store in 1998, and I started making simple fountains, just one pot pouring into another. We've sold the various tiered fountains that you'll see everywhere, just a variety of fountains. But what we evolved into is a disappearing fountain system. Now we even take those traditional tiered fountains and we'll put them on top of disappearing fountain systems. Now the reason we're doing that is we want to be able to take advantage of the disappearing fountain system. It's pretty simple. Anytime you have a fountain that has open water, which means pooling water, like at the bottom of a pool, or in the instance of one of the big tiered fountains that has a pool, anytime you have that pool, that's where the pump goes. The only problem with that is that pump is going to collect debris, things falling off of trees, bugs, whatever it is. It's going to end up in that water. It's going to eventually get sucked into the pump, and you have to clean it. You have to clean the pool itself. You have to clean the intake of the pump. Been there, done that on lots of fountains. And when these disappearing fountain systems came along, I was very excited. When I first saw them, I'm like, man, this is going to be huge. And I've been right. It's been really huge for us. I think kind of slow to catch on most places, but maybe they don't really see the advantages of them. You'll see that we do a variety of different fountains on the disappearing fountain system. This one, Kevin, if you'll stand here a little closer, I'm going to tell you why we like it so much. If this were a pooling fountain, this kind of debris that you're seeing in here would have ended up at the pump, and you would have had to clean it. It would also end up in the pool itself. The pool itself is going to get algae on it. You're going to have to clean that pool, dump all the water out of it, and clean that pool. With the disappearing fountain system, and I'm going to show you this right here, you bury this tub into the ground. You've probably seen the installation video elsewhere on our websites, and then you set whatever fountain feature you're setting on top of that. Doesn't matter if it's a traditional tiered fountain, in this case a pottery fountain, a boulder fountain, a fire fountain, whatever it is. Taking advantage of this disappearing fountain system is what you want to do, because this debris stops at that screen or stops on top of the pebbles. Now normally when you install this, you cover this entirely with stone. We're showing you this today because we don't have to cover it with stone. We want you to be able to see the screen and the stones there. So the debris stops there. It doesn't get into the pump. Also, that tub doesn't need to be cleaned. You're not seeing down into that tub. It's covered with stone, so it's a closed system. And when you have that closed system, you greatly diminish the amount of maintenance that you have to do on your fountain. That's why we love these so much, and I wanted to be able to share that with you today.